in that bottle. 'Cause the last thing I wanna do is cry. I know I haven't been around, but you're gonna see a whole lot more of me. I guarantee it's got my head all in a whirl. 'Cause where'll I find another girl who brings out everything that's good in me? Well, the last thing that you said was please don't follow. So what could I do but grant her last request? She's over Campus Toronto like a swallow on that big silver bird that's headed west. Come on, Jimmy. Oh, that was Doug. Come on, Jay. That empty bed now, and I just had to get this off my chest. I'm still here.